Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the best gaming hardware out there. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 WINDFORCE OC SFF 16G graphics card. First off, let's talk about what makes this card so special. It's NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 technology. In plain English, that means it's got some serious smarts when it comes to handling graphics and making them look super sharp and realistic. The DLSS stands for Deep Learning Super Sampling, which basically uses artificial intelligence to create the illusion of higher resolutions without actually having to use more memory or processing power. But what really gets me excited about this card is its sheer performance. Powered by the GeForce RTX 5080, it's like a beast when it comes to rendering graphics and handling demanding games at high frame rates. That's thanks in no small part to its integrated 16GB GDDR7 memory interface, which means you've got plenty of room to store all those juicy textures and details. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's the big deal about PCIe 5.0? Well, let me tell you, it's like a turbo boost for your computer's hard drive. It's essentially an upgrade to how fast data can move between devices, which means you'll get much faster loading times and overall system responsiveness. But here's where things get really interesting. With NVIDIA SFF, small form factor, ready, this card is basically designed for tiny computers or laptops that need a powerful graphics solution without taking up too much space. It's like having your cake and eating it too. You can have the power of a high-end graphics card in a package that fits snugly under your keyboard. Let me tell you, I put this baby through its paces, and I'm blown away by how well it performs. The RT cores on board are designed to handle all sorts of AI-enhanced tasks, like ray tracing and advanced lighting effects. And with 16GB of GDDR7 memory, you can bet your bottom dollar that games will be looking razor sharp even at the highest settings. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning any potential drawbacks. And I'm happy to report that this card is rock solid when it comes to power efficiency. It's like a well-oiled machine, it runs hot, but not scorching hot, and it doesn't guzzle energy like some other cards on the market. So there you have it, my take on the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 WINDFORCE OC SFF 16G graphics card. With its blistering performance, stunning visuals, and AI acceleration, this card is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming rig or creative setup. Check out the link below to snag the best deal on this incredible card. Trust me, you won't regret it.